Microsoft Excel has been integrating artificial intelligence for years, evolving from a basic data tool to a sophisticated analytics platform. Since 2016, features like Flash Fill and recommended charts have streamlined data entry and visualization, making Excel indispensable for professionals. Excel's AI-driven features include the Ideas feature, which uses machine learning to provide insights and suggest charts. The forecast sheet predicts future trends using historical data, while Power Query cleans and transforms data automatically. Natural language processing allows users to ask questions in plain English and get instant answers. Power BI, a business analytics service by Microsoft, complements Excel by providing advanced visualization and business intelligence capabilities. Integrated with AI, Power BI handles large datasets, creates interactive dashboards, and offers real-time insights, enhancing Excel's analytics capabilities. AI-driven features in Excel increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, improve accuracy by eliminating human errors, and enhance decision-making with deeper insights and predictive analytics. Natural language queries and automated insights make data analysis accessible to all users, while Power BI integration allows for scalability and handling larger datasets.